I'm making Japanese curry with Vermont Curry Roux today. It's the best-selling curry in Japan, known for its mild flavor, enriched with apples and honey, making it popular with all ages. If you haven't tried it yet, be sure to give it a taste. All you need is just a few simple ingredients. Let's get started. First, cut the vegetables. Peel carrots and use a rangiri cutting technique to chop them up. Rangiri is a cutting style that's done by rotating and cutting the carrot on an angle, not straight slicing. We do this cutting style to increase the surface area of vegetables. This makes them absorb the cooking liquid more, enhancing the flavor. This is good cutting technique for dishes like stews and braises. Peel the potatoes and cut them into cubes. I cut them bigger sizes than carrots as they'll get soft and easy to lose their shapes while cooking. Wedge onions. For cutting meat, I use a washed and dried milk carton as a cutting board. That keeps my chopping board clean. Cut the beef in bite sizes. Heat a big pot and pour some oil. Once oil gets hot, add vegetables and stir them. When the onions become a clear color, add bite-sized beef in it. Stir them. For Vermont curry, I needed 1400 ml of water, but if you're using different brands, the amount of water you need is different. So please check the box of roux and look for a Japanese character mizu, which means water. Also, you can check the spicy level on the box. I'm using medium spicy, chukara, that's between amakuchi, mild, and karakuchi, more spicy. According to a survey conducted by Norin Chukin Bank in 2022, which asked 400 elementary and middle school students in the Tokyo metropolitan area about their favorite home-cooked meals. The results were: first place hamburger steak, second place karaage fried chicken, and third place Japanese curry. And if you want to know how to cook Japanese-style hamburger steak or karaage chicken, please check out my other videos. Once the beef is slightly cooked, add water, then cook it with high heat until water gets boiled. Once it starts boiling, turn the heat down to medium heat, then cook it until all the ingredients are cooked. During the cooking, check the surface of the water and remove the scum off. It looks like a foam. Doing this to enhance the flavor of the dish. Curry has been the favorite food of Japanese kids for a long time. We ate very tasty curry at school lunch too. Also, we cooked curry on a school camp trip for both 5th grade and 7th grade camps. I still remember when our group accidentally used up another group's meat. After we found out, put the cooked pork back into the pot of the next group. One of the boys from the next group kept saying that all the pork umami was stolen. Even with the extra umami, as we added too much water, the curry was very watery and wasn't tasty at all. The rice cooked in the fire was burned too, but we all ate up those unsuccessful curry rice. All good old memories. Did you go to school camp? What did you cook at the camp? Please share your memories if you don't mind. I use a skewer to check if the vegetables were cooked. Not ready yet. I cook it for about 20 minutes. That looks good. The skewer went through smoothly in the potatoes. It's done cooking for now. Turn the heat off, then add curry roux. Mix it up until it's dissolved. This is good for party food too. I always cook big batch because curry is tastier next day. My kids love to eat leftover curry with udon noodle. It's also freezable, but I won't recommend freeze potatoes as their texture gets funny when they are frozen. Simmer with a lid for 5 to 10 minutes. Keep mixing to avoid burning the bottom of the pot. I have another curry recipe which uses S&B curry powder. If you want to create your own taste of curry, please check the video. Once the curry gets nice and thick, it's done. Let's serve with freshly cooked rice. Bon appetit! Thank you for watching my video. I upload easy Japanese recipes every week. Please subscribe to my channel and then you won't miss out on new videos. Thank you. またね!